Are you worried about rusty pipes or clogged holes? I've got the solution for you. So I just partnered up with Next Level Services. They're a great plumber here in the Valley. So for any clients that are looking to buy or sell a house here in the Phoenix area, they will give you a free camera inspection on your plumbing system. So if you're buying a house, you can have a free inspection on the plumbing to make sure you're not buying anything messed up. And if you're selling a house, you can make sure you do any possible repairs that may be needed before you go on the market, making you more money. If you want to learn more, hit me up in the comments. I'd love to help build a game plan for you.